What do I love about the Tulip culture?
Well, what isn't there to like? There's great people, everybody is very professional, everybody tries to improve every day, and we all have a common goal.
Continuous improvement being at the core of so much of what we do. Folks genuinely show up every single day looking to find ways to make processes better, improve the product, improve themselves, and most importantly, improve the folks around them. And it's really a testament to the talent that we have that works here.
Maybe what I appreciate the most is that the message of the product is matching with the culture of the company. We are championing the do what you stand for philosophy by showing how an employee-centric company can operate very successfully, while our product is an essential tool for the manufacturing industry.
How does feedback culture look for me?
We are a very transparent and practice what we preach type company, and you can really feel that.
In general, feedback is for me one of the most important tools, and I think it's very important to always explain ways to improve and how to handle it in the future.
My favorite memory at Tulip is going up north skiing and snowboarding with the entire Tulip crew. It's great to be able to grab a beer on the mountain and just hang out with people from the different departments that you don't normally get to interact with.
One of my favorite things about Tulip has got to be dogs in the office. I mean, come on, who doesn't want to say hi to a four-legged friend between meetings?
2 weeks into the role, I got a phone call from Eric asking me what the password to a computer that I had recently worked on for a demo. I couldn't remember, so I rushed in, tried every Tulip and personal password that I knew. We scrambled to install the older computer behind the bench, and everything ended up going well during the demo, and I became a 1Password evangelist. I think persisting together to get shit done and doing it from a position of disadvantage is what I think about when I think about Tulip.
Back in 2018, there was a drain pipe being serviced. This left a huge hole on the ceiling, and then one day it started raining and all the water from the terrace started pouring in, mixed with all the slime and the dirt. But then the entire office was immediately on its feet, trying to help out, to divert the water. It was a really funny day at the office, but what struck me was that no one hesitated a bit to get involved. To empty the trash bins or to get drenched in the dirty water. Everyone helped. Everyone felt they could do something to make that situation better. Fast forward 4 years, I saw the same spirit during the open house event. New office, new ceiling, and almost nearly a new set of people, and yet the same energy and ownership and the GST attitude. That to me is the intangible quality in Tulip's DNA that is something special and gives me great pride to be part of this awesome team.